Today we're going to talk about angles and how to figure out a measure of an angle using a transversal. Okay, so what you can what we can see here is that we have drawn a picture. Thank you to Miss Sedbury for drawing the picture for me. If you look on here, you can see that all of the purple angles are going to be equal. Okay, so this angle is the same as this one. And then if we come down, these are going to be the same. So all of the purple ones are exactly the same number. All of the red ones are going to be the same number. So this angle here and this angle here are all the same. Okay? We know from last year in math that a straight line, okay, so this line here, equals 180 degrees. So if I can figure out the red one here, I can add it to the purple one to equal 180 degrees. You can use this to figure out a lot of the math that we need to know. Okay? These are also called congruent angles. All right? So the purple plus the red equals 180. That's a straight line. Okay. Also, I want to let you know any of the angles on the outside here and here, those are called exterior. The angles on the inside are called interior. Okay. So let's move to the next section. We're going to come this way. Okay. Also, something else you need to know for math is that if we add up all of the angles inside a triangle, it will equal 180, just like the line. Okay, so if I add if I add 80 plus 45 plus this angle here, I don't know how much it is, but I can add it, all three of those, they're going to equal 180 degrees. So then I can use my math to figure out 80 plus 45 equals 125. Subtract that from both sides, just like solving an equation, and the measure for angle C will equal 55 degrees. Very simple. Now, we're going to take this one step further, a little bit more difficult, but it's the same concept and you'll be able to see how it works. So we're going to move all the way over here. This one here. For this example, you need to combine the x's together and you need to combine the numbers together. We're going to add it all up to equal 180. So I have circled the x's, so I add that. I have 3 here, there's one more, that's 4, 5, 6. 6 x's plus, and then I add up those 3 numbers, that equals 18.
Tommy Dong, your ride is waiting in front for you, please. Tommy Dong.
Okay, so then I just solve this equation, and that will give me x equals 27. You can put that back in. So if I had that, and I know that x equals 27, I could substitute 27 for my x and solve. So 27 plus 11, and I could figure out that angle is 38. Okay? One more thing. Right here, okay? If you have 2 triangles inside each other, then we know that we could use a proportion to figure out how much is a line. So if I see this triangle here, and then this big one is on the outside, they're the same, okay? So I could set it up. I have 4 here, and that's 5 and 3. I just redrew it again. Now I draw the big one again, okay? Put my numbers here, and then set up a proportion. So 5 for the hypotenuse of this one is the same as 12.5 of the hypotenuse of the big triangle. So I put them both on the top, okay? Then my 3 on the side is the same as this x. So then all I need to do is cross multiply and then divide by 5, and that will give me x. Okay? We're going to go ahead and show you the notes now. You can copy that. There's a few that you need to try yourself.